Oh, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Old man here at 162 Projects, getting ready to start another project for my wife. Seems like she's always the one got the projects. Anyway, it's a plant stand, obviously, and I guess the end picture is supposed to look like this. So let's get started. Okay, the first step, sort out all the pieces. And on the instructions here, it tells what pieces and how many I actually have. They gave me one extra piece of everything. That was kind of them. They were also kind enough to give me a little baby sledgehammer and these little gardening tools. Yeah, I think it's called humor. Plus a set of work gloves. Alright, let's get to building. Okay, so it looks like part one is taking all these pieces, or the necessary amount, and put them on the ends of those mid-sized sticks to make it look like this. So let's get to putting together. Alright, so the next step is to take those pieces and to put it onto those pieces, which you wind up with this. And this is where the fun part comes in. A little hammer. Done. That's what you want to make. So it looks like I have some work ahead of me. Okay, there's the next step. We got the 3 platforms, 4 tall legs, 4 short legs. Now we're going to move on to, I believe, 4 more short legs and then 2 more platforms. Well, as you can see, it's taking shape. I'm going to finish it off and show you the final product. And there we have it, the final product. Plant stand for my wife. Now she can stick it wherever she wants. Because I'm done with it. Moving on to the next project. Everybody, take it easy, have fun in your shop.